When a patch or an upgrade is causing issues, reverting to a previous state can be crucial, especially if there is incompatible firmware is suspected. ESXi uses two key partitions. One is called the boot bank and another is called the alt boot bank. The boot bank is a partition which stores the current ESXi image. That includes a file called SV100 here, which is basically an essential file that's used during the boot process. Alt bank is basically an empty partition, but it's actually filled with the previous image during an upgrade process. During the upgrade process, the contents of the alt boot bank are populated with the contents of whatever is in boot bank image, ensuring that a backup is available in case of any issues. Now, during the rollback process, the old image from the alt boot bank is copied back to the boot bank. So after the rollback is complete, alt boot bank is emptied again as it now holds the previous edition. This is a mechanism that allows for the recovery from upgrades that's maybe causing instability. So as you see on the right, you can access the contents of the alt boot configuration and the boot bank configuration that's holding the current and the previous version of image on our ESXi host. So let's see how to actually do a rollback on our ESXi environment. To roll back the ESXi host, what we're going to actually do is to boot the system into this BIOS mode. So we do that by restarting the server. So in this case, I'm just going to power off and restart the operating system. As the operating system loads up, I'm going to actually click on Shift plus R here. It actually shows my two banks. One is actually my alt bank, the other is my boot bank. So in the rollback process, what is going to happen is the contents of my boot bank is going to be replaced with what is available inside my alt bank. So we'll now press on Y to roll back the operating system to a previous edition. So let's hit on Y here, which would load the operating system to the previous edition. This is the way you actually do a ESXi rollback.